Hi, today let's make Methi style chicken at home. Very easy, it can be done in 30 minutes. In a kadai, add in oil. Once the oil has heated up, add in some cumin seeds. Please note the measurement and the ingredients are in the description box below. Once the cumin seeds splutters, add in the chopped onion, and you need to fry the onion till it turns slightly brown and the raw smell goes. The main thing of Methi chicken is all the ingredients needs to be roasted really very well. That is when the flavor gets enhanced. Now I've added in ginger garlic paste and giving it a good mix. Here as well, the raw smell needs to go, and it needs to get mixed and roasted very well. Now I'm adding in chopped tomatoes, and again this needs to get mixed very well. And once the tomato gets really very mushy, that is the time where we are adding in our dry spices. Here I'm adding in chili powder, salt, turmeric powder, coriander powder, jeera powder, and chicken masala. Any kind of chicken masala which is at home. Give it a really very good mix and cover it with the lid till the oil separates from the tomato gravy. That is when we know the gravy has been cooked really very well. Now I'm adding in cleaned and washed chicken pieces and give it a really very good mix. The chicken pieces needs to be covered and mixed very well with the gravy so that the flavor is enhanced. Now add in a little bit of water and give it a good mix. And once the chicken is mixed really very well with half a cup of water, cover it with the lid and then add in the chopped and cleaned methi leaves. Methi leaves are very good for health. So this is one way where methi can get into our system via methi chicken. See, look at the gravy. It's boiling really well, combined very well with the chicken. This is what we want. If you like my recipe, don't forget to like, follow, share and subscribe. You can have it with your hot rice, any kind of flavored rice, naan, chapati, anything of your choice. As I said, ingredients are in the comment box below. Don't forget to like, follow, share and subscribe to my channel. Enjoy.